This is the reason for your confusion, is that there is really no set standard that everybody uses for symbols. Yes, there are standards published in documents and associations, but every schematic does something different. For example, here we have a light. One schematic is going to have this circle with an X, and this other one is going to be a triangle, an upside down triangle. Um, it's not consistent. Again, down here, do we have a fuse? Do we have a resistor? You have a symbol for a resistor here, but then you have resistor symbols being used here, and then that looks awfully close to a fuse, right? How about a frequency filter? And then you have a phase control relay here. I can see some similarities, but they're obviously different. Likewise, a 24-volt DC power supply. This one, for example, has the symbol for AC current, and then this one has the symbol for DC current. Well, these are both 24-volt power supplies, and this one on the bottom doesn't have that. Why not? Because everybody does something different. So, what do you do when you don't know the symbol? And that's where component ID tags and the bill of materials come in. Here, every component should have some type of a tag on it. Everybody's going to be different, but you take this tag and then you go to the bill of materials. I'll show you. So here's a schematic here. I don't know what K1M is, right? So if I don't know what it is, I'm going to go to the bill of materials. I'm going to find it. K1M. Oh, it's a contactor. It looks like it's for a pump, for example. And there's also another there's another bill of materials on this one. So we're looking for K1M, contactor. Okay, awesome, right? Let's do another example. What is A0? I don't know, so I'm going to go look it up. A0, phase control relay. Wow, okay. H2, H3, go look that stuff up. If you don't know what the symbol is, look it up by using the component tag and the bill of materials. Component tag and look it up. And that will solve your confusion with schematic symbols. If you found value in this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share for more content. And if you want to learn how to master automation controls troubleshooting, check out the link in the description.